Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the workings of a home water heater. Have you ever wondered how you get that hot water in the shower? Let's explore how it all happens. At the core of your home's water heating system is a water heater tank. Cold water enters the tank through a dip tube. This tube extends to the bottom, allowing the coldest water to be heated first. Inside, a heating element warms the water. These elements can be powered by electricity, gas, or even solar energy. In electric heaters, resistive elements heat the water when electricity passes through them. In gas heaters, a burner releases gas jets beneath the tank, while newer models use a heat exchanger system. As water heats up, it rises to the top. The thermostat controls the heating process. It senses when water needs heating and turns on the element or burner. This ensures a constant supply of hot water. The tank has an anode rod protecting it from rust. The anode attracts corrosive elements, extending the tank's life. Your water heater also features a pressure relief valve. This safety device is essential. Should pressure build up too much, the valve opens, releasing excess pressure and preventing explosions. When you turn on a hot water tap, hot water leaves the tank via the heat-out pipe located at the top. At the same time, new cold water enters to be heated, ensuring a continuous supply. Insulation around the tank keeps water hot by minimizing heat loss, making the system efficient. Maintenance includes regularly checking the anode rod and flushing the tank to remove sediment. This improves efficiency and extends the heater's lifespan, saving energy and preventing breakdowns. Now, you know the basics of how a home water heater works. It's a fascinating piece of engineering that provides comfort and convenience. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into home systems. Thanks for watching.